you have your QR, it's gonna be easy. Welcome to Sentosa. Have a nice day. Happy.
Hi guys! Finally, we're here. Actually, meron siya. Ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sounds, everything. So, we're finally inside Universal Studios. Medyo madaming tao kasi holiday. But let's explore. The last time I was here was 2012. So, it's now more than a decade. Let's see what's the difference. But first of all, we really need to try Transformers once again. Let's go!
Madagascar, everyone.
So cute!
Look, it's Madagascar, everyone. So right now we're going to watch the Transformers. I don't know if it's 4D, but is it 4D?
It's like a roller coaster ride. We are going to wear the 3D glasses and then we're gonna see amazing stuff. To experience is to believe.
Good. Meron pala dito reveal. Anong nangyari sa inyo? Wala pa, hindi pa sumasakay. First ride pa lang. Mga bunsuan, biyahilo.
There.
Akyat pa lang.
Hello. Can I join? Kaya pa.
Pila pa lang, hello lang. Yan, malamig na.
Yun na.
Finally, we're inside.
Yeah, after a long line.
So, we're finally inside. But still alone. So, here we go.
HQ, new recruits orientation.
General Mooreshower here, commanding officer of NEST. NEST stands for the Non-Biological Extraterrestrial Species Treaty. It established a dedicated combat force.
Only seat on board EVAC. There is a leg restraint in every room. Do not
How? You just choose which one you want. Pakuha niyo ako isa. I thought it was black.
Yeah, same.
Pick
From
up the
afar,
eyeglass and return it later. Bye! We're next! Excited? Excited?
Yeah. Done.
Ano? Oh, tahol-tahol ka dyan. Amazing!
So amazing.
Worth it.
Wow, 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 wow. The line was so long. I think like 2 hours, but it's so worth it. We fell from the building. It's so fun, right?
Picture ka rin, parang nasa...
Yes, gutom na mga person. Change
Before we proceed to, ano kaya, Mummies or Jurassic, $10 for one slice or 50 for like 400 per slice.
Okay.
Egypt.
Parang na rin nag-tour sa...
Egypt.
Egypt.
Sasakay ba tayo dyan?
Yeah.
First, Mommy, the Jurassic.
We're here in Egypt.
Na-enjoy.
For Mommy. mommy, no hand carry allowed. You have to do locker rental. Then we didn't carry our phones. Fun!
I think
How was the mommy?
I left my soul.
I left my soul in Egypt. Now we're going to
Trip to Jerusalem.
Jurassic Park. Anong pangalan nitong Jurassic Park na to?
Rapid adventure.
Rapids Adventure. 1 hour from here. Yan. Kaso out of service. Paano tayo niyan? How? Out of service. Almost there! Wala kayong mga raincoat. They have the raincoats. It's broken. The survival gear.
Okay ka lang mabasa.
We
We were supposed to buy a poncho for $6, but the version is under. Excited. Ito na lang. I don't know if we're gonna be wet. Yung paa. So we don't cover it. We don't have any poncho. Look at them. They have.
Yeah.
Oh, yung bata basang-basa siya. Ay, si ate basang-basa siya. So, are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we sure? Ito here says okay. So, sige. Let's fight. Mamaya basa. Papasa tayo. Hello. Oh no, we're got soap and water. Soap. Para. Don't take it.
I did my best, but my best wasn't good enough.
Okay, so you must, aside from poncho, you also must bring something for your feet because you become wet. Grabe.
Oh no! You can use the dry pad. Yan, credit cards tayo.
Oh no. Ano, sabi mo, willing ka mabasa.
I tried my best not to get wet, but then
Dry pad.
Ano yan?
I tried my best not to get wet, but then
Wala.
I failed.
This dry pad is $5 per piece. And the good thing is you can dry your feet also.
Yes, I failed as a person. I'm a dinosaur na.
How about your feet? Okay, wet. Inside?
Yes.
Oh my
So,
God.
in
So
water.
really this one.
Yeah,
Ako
look at my
what
ano.
I did. I have this from before. And I put my feet inside. So hindi naman siya nabasa. I hate it. Especially when your socks is wet. It's so annoying. So,
Oh no, my shoe.
maybe you can bring yung plastic socks, shoes. That one. Or don't go there.
Try it. Oh no.
Ano masasabi mo ate?
Oh no. Okay. Okay, is it? Yeah, starting.
It's so hot inside! Pero tuyo ka kagad dyan. Init! Woo!
Yes, on to our fourth Steven Spielberg.
Please remember.
Roller coaster na next. Kaya pa.
Karyata ito.
Oo nga, no.
Garbage. Hi, garbage.
Okay.
Marilyn Monroe.
Let's go to the final.
Nakakaunti ng tao.
Daya, iwan. Extreme ride. Not even. Bye. Howard. Howard. Grabe siya.
Hi! So this is our last stop because they actually close on 7 the park itself. But maybe like last na makakapagpapasok is 6. So I think this will be the last one. The waiting time is 60 minutes. The other one is 80. So we choose this one. I'm not sure, but I think the human one is the one where your feet is hanging. And then Galactica is the blue one, like the normal one. And then you're going to upside down. Yep. So, let's go. Iwan si Kuya. Narinig mo ba kami? Lion King 2024. Ano po ako? Grabe! One more! Kaya pa! Let's go! Yes, so we have conquered human. So human, sorry, it's mistake. It has the... Ano ba tawag dyan? Apakan. And then this one, your feet is going to be hanging. So I think right now, not a lot of people. So we're going second time.
Ano yan?
Sobrang bilis. For the second time. Sabi niya wag daw sisigaw. Eh di ako nakaganon lang ako. Sabi ko lang, baby mo. Tapos nakita mo na ako, nakita kita. Tapos biglang,
Ano?
ano mas maganda? Hindi, mas maano talaga. 5 na ikot pala siya eh. We got 6 rides today. And then we got 11. Congrats to us. So I can take that. Kaya na yung tsura lang. Nakita ko si Lloyd sabi kanina. Nakataas yung kamay. Hindi kaya. Sabi na yung tsura ko. Sabi sa akin ni Lloyd kanina. Gawin.
So this is actually the place where we didn't have any chance to explore.
Water world?
Oh, ay naku, enough na tayo sa water world. Super basa kami kanina. So we're going to far, far away. My princess, how are you there?
I felt as a Disney.
Kumpara sa Disneyland, yung Universal kasi medyo mas pang adult. Pero meron sila dito parang area na more on for kids siya. So, may castle, So, nandito yung mga cartoons.
Peter Pan ba yan? Ay, Busan Pan. And yan.
Kain nandito, mahilig kumain sila.
It's a place. Halika, let's check.
Parang kay Peter Pan. Ay, pala to.
Nagaganyan na lang ako. Magkano kayo sweldo? Usapin mo.
Si Megatron.
Megatron is so pogi.
Nagawaki din siya ni
Yan. So, that's about it for today.
Sa
Enjoy.
Six rides. Even if we arrive 11. Can.
pipicture daw siya. Photo daw.
Okay, you want